What a great location. And this is where we're staying. Hotel Germania. We don't have a river view, unfortunately. They didn't have any rooms with a river view, but we're here for 4 nights, and we'll just have to make do without it. Nice size room. Nice bathroom. Well, folks, we made it. We made it from Chicago to Newark to Frankfurt to Koblenz to Cochem. Well, good morning. We slept great. Nothing like a sleeping pill, let me tell you. These are my favorite kind of roses. That little grainy thingies on them. Good yogurt and fruit. Wonderful. The only thing that has left a bad taste in my mouth so far is we went into umpteen restaurants and none of them will give you tap water. You must buy bottled water. One waiter said, "Oh, we only serve hot water here." What? They don't have a sink that you can get cold tap water? The water is potable or drinkable in all of Germany, so that's not a question. They're just trying to get extra money. And because it's a huge tourist area, they get away with it. Like I said, we're going to drink wine instead of water. We ordered an interesting dinner for €6-something, which is perfectly okay. It is a pork schnitzel, and to me it tastes almost like a sweet and sour sauce on top. Huge mound of french fries, which I've already made my way through half of it. And the excellent wine from the Mosel area. They have some of the steepest vineyards I have ever seen in my life. This particular one that I'm filming right now is nothing compared to some of the others that I saw along the Rhine and the Mosel. I wanted to take back to the room.
Thank you very much.
This belongs to this gentleman.
Here was America.
Really?
I don't think so.
But it divided.
Oh, it divided up?
I don't
We're talking about
so.
his steep vineyards.
Columbus
I've
never come this way.
never, ever have seen anything like that. Try all different ones. You get a little glass, you sit, you drink. Drink, drink, drink. 2 eyes. Well, it's called location, location, location. If you want to sit out here, you pay the price. It's a really nice pour of wine. It's 0.21. This is a nice dry Riesling. The wines are so excellent. Looks good. Thin crust pizza. Last time I had one of these was in Colmar, France, in Alsace. There is always room for ice cream, and this particular place right next to our hotel has excellent gelato. Really yummy, yummy, yummy.